Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. For your love guidance today, I'll be picking this card and the message from your person. We'll be picking this card, Leos. If you want a personal reading, Leos, you can contact my friend. I'll be sharing her link in the description, and she is a very good intuitive reader, so you can contact her. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading, Leos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Queen of Cups in reverse, and Three of Cups. So in your circumstances today, you are working really hard, Leos, trying to do your best, trying to do things the right way. So in your work or in your relationship, you are making a lot of efforts, and circumstances are quite demanding on you. You have a lot you need to take care of. You are really making good efforts today in your life, and you are a person who is a very devoted and a trustworthy, reliable person. But the people you are with, it may be your person, it may be their energy. So they are someone who does not show that level of commitment or that level of devotion. So you feel that you cannot trust this person, and maybe even though you are in a relationship with them, you may have a level of understanding with them, but you don't know what will be the future of this connection or what will happen. So some kind of confusion, doubts, or some lack of clarity may be there in this connection, in this relationship. So you cannot say for sure that this person will, is thinking on the same way like you. Maybe if you are interested in marriage or commitment, whether this person is also thinking on the same lines. So some kind of doubts on your part. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. But with this Three of Cups, I also see that whatever troubles you are having in this connection, maybe some misunderstanding, some doubts or confusion, whatever it is, all that is changing, and there is a happy news waiting to unfold in your life today, Leos. So maybe this person is being this way. Maybe they are also making an important decision today. That may be the reason they are being really quiet, and they are not showing their emotions towards you or towards this love for some reason. Maybe they have some plans, or they are planning to surprise you with a happy news. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card, Between Worlds. So maybe this may be the time for you to be really curious instead of being certain about some things. in this connection. This is the time you do not know where this connection is going. That is what we were talking about. You don't know where things are leading, maybe. And this is not the moment for certainty, but for curiosity, allowing yourself to just enjoy this present moment in this relationship and see what is the most important thing for you. What are the values that are important for you? And this is a very important phase in this relationship because it is helping you to understand this person in a better way, in a deeper way. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the message from your person. I just got caught up in the moment. A very apt card. Maybe they are thinking of the present and they are not planning something for the future, maybe, or they have a lot of things going on in their life, maybe a lot of things to handle in their career. Maybe that may be the reason they are not able to communicate with you, or the way they are, their attitude or their silence, that may be the reason for that. So that is the reading here with these cards. Leos, thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, Battle. So, in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It says Rose Quartz. So the energy with this card, maybe in our life we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day-to-day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self-love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.